First, suppose this is a box, and a girl and a boy are putting force or applying force from both the sides. Both the boy and girl is applying same amount of force, that is 10 Newton and 10 Newton. So we know that SI unit of force is Newton. So the net force will be 0. Why? I'll tell you that forces are said to be balanced if they cancel one another and the result is in force is 0. That time it is known as balanced force, otherwise no. So I repeat that their result or their net quantity will be 0 because it is cancelling both the forces, therefore it is leading to a balanced force and the box will not move from its position. For suppose this is a box and from left hand side there is force A, 10 Newton force is applied, and from force B 5 Newton force is applied. So what will happen gradually, that force A will be greater than force B. This means the box will move from A to B. So what does it mean? That when two opposite forces are acting on a body, it moves a body in a direction of greater force is called unbalanced force. Like 10 Newton minus 5 Newton, it opposes the force, right? So 10 Newton minus 5 Newton is always 5 Newton, right? So we are doing subtraction, and I repeat the sentence that when two opposite forces acting on a body move a body in a direction of greater force is called unbalanced force. So here we have understand what is the meaning of unbalanced force, and we have also got to know about balanced force.